Good morning, girls. Hi. Hello. Hello, cute stuffs. Hello. Hello. You'll put a smile on anybody's face in the morning. Good morning. There's Morris. Tex caused me some problems yesterday, so I'm not going to call and look for him until... Oh, he's over here on the chair. He's trying to cause me trouble today too. I'm gonna have to very quickly here escort him down the hill. He's fixing to get his little feelings hurt. Good morning, Morris. And good morning, Tux. Okay, Tux has been carried down the hill. Now I'll get out the rest of the food for these guys and hopefully he'll stay down there. Hi, Morris. Hello, honey bunny. That's a good Morris. That's a good boy. Good boy, Morris. Good boy. Well, it's always nice to come out the next morning and see all the fruits of your labor.
My back hurts. Looking at all this makes my back hurt.
Aw. Well, you are the one with the post hole digger.
Yeah. Well, it does look very nice, Petey. I'm liking it also. It's very pretty.
I am going to head up to Walmart this morning for another bag of dirt and a few more annuals. And Don and I, if things go right, we'll be out here to do just a bit more this afternoon.
It's wet, so we don't have to water it.
Still looking good this morning. Yeah, I would be surprised based on weather conditions and the amount that we watered it yesterday if it needed attention already. You made it out here today, Tux. Yay!
Mama, I just want to go find my heating pad. Damn birds making all that racket.
Are we supposed to go this way this morning? Hi. Cute stuff 1, cute stuff 2. I don't see cute stuff 3, but I'm sure she's close by too.
Yeah, the little tree
isn't little.
Not little anymore, and it's really thick. And so I'm gonna have to use like a hose or something to water it if I have to water it, because you know, when we get those couple weeks of dry, sometimes I usually put a couple buckets of water in there.
Yeah, 2, 4, 6 gallons, but not like a hose soaking.
Right. And
well, right, like you said, first off, it's hard to get in there with the can, and
yeah, well, plus it's heavy.
Yeah.
We'll have to see.
You know what this means, right? All across the northern hemisphere, out with the fall and winter clothes, in with the spring and summer clothes. Don's doing his weekend work. He's decided to just do it Sundays and not Saturday and Sunday, and that's working out fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, except for then I put him to work more on Saturday, but that's just how it is.
It's just my lot in life.
But you're not at the computer.
That's right, outside, and I'm looking forward to I'll probably done in an hour or so.
Okay, well, I'm going to head to Walmart and get dirt and a few 6-pack, you know, a few annuals, and I won't get lost.
Okie dokie.
It's a pretty morning for sure. Been admiring that tree with the purple flowers over there in the distance for several days now. Well, it's a gorgeous 70 degrees out there, sunny, gentle breeze. Just another perfect spring day. I don't know how we're getting lucky to have so many of these. It's getting a little dry though, so I'll be complaining about having to water here really soon. As you can imagine, it's very busy in the garden center this morning. I got the things I came for, but I might go peek at Home Depot too. Hey, Ruby. Well, as you can guess, it's a complete zoo, and there may not even like be parking because, you know, part of the parking is taken up right now by the mulch and stuff. I'd say it's full all the way. It's full all the way out here. Sorry, I was just trying to complete the turn, wasn't trying to block you in. Like I said, it's pretty crazy over here. So if you want to find a parking spot, you can, but I would just venture to guess that the parking places I'm willing to park in are not available. And you know I don't mind walking. But it's pretty full, even all the way back here. I see a Model 3 over to my left. It's on the other side of that buggy. I just don't see a place I want to park, I don't guess. It's actually a Y and not a 3. Hey, Donnie, you got out here without me.
Yeah, a little bit. I've been out here for probably about 20 minutes, and then I got, you know, brought my equipment down, and I've got 3 little holes. You know, they weren't really rooted in there very much. All 3 of those came out of this one pot.
Oh, okay.
The reason it's so far out is, of course, that's where the footings end.
Right.
That one over there is closer in, is actually planted on top of the footing, but there was a fair amount of dirt there.
Okay.
So I'm going to change it. So what we're probably going to have to do is be very careful. Make sure we water these guys until they get
established.
And you know, with a little luck, they'll fill out. I'm going to go get one of those fancy ones with the big leaves and put it right there.
Intersperse it, yeah.
Yeah, right there in the middle.
So what these are is when we dug the ditch out down there, the trench where the footbridge is. What was that now, 4 or 5 years ago?
It's been a while.
It's been a little while. We saved the ferns. We couldn't kill them. So we threw them in these pots. We had all this extra dirt, and we water them a few times this summer, and they just been sitting in the pots. And we decided, you know, we'd really like for the ferns to be across the front here. We've obviously got some. They do okay here too. Right, so we're emptying the pots today. Don wanted to put them up here. With everyone out of the house, Mittens has found herself a really soft spot. Hi, sweetie. Tux has decided he'll take on the job of supervisor today when he's not performing hygiene. Tuxie! Hey, bud. Don't work too hard over there supervising. Yeah, over here is where all the pots were. We're about 15 when we started. Some had ferns that made it, a few didn't. I've got some liriope and a few hosta over here we got to do something with eventually also. It's coming along nicely. We've gotten the leaves out of them and moved over here, and Don's working on what he's doing here near the downspout, and it's coming along. I'm getting stuff planted little by little. I just did this hanging basket with begonias, and there's another one there I'm gonna do also. Don goes to dig the hole for this shrub, and the very first thing he comes up with the post hole digger's a brick. This is what we're planting here. It's supposed to get really big and be a fence type of thing. And that's what I want for over here. I am not doing anything in this vicinity. Don's on his own with this planting. There's a lot of poison ivy over here.
Yeah, you don't get...
I planted a second red hibiscus in that pot today. And we installed this new pot that I brought home from Walmart this morning with the hosta and some impatiens. I'm hoping to find a smaller, inexpensive Japanese maple to put in that pot, but if that doesn't happen this year, there's something in it. Don said there's cement footer across the front, so he wasn't, you know, able to dig those in quite as far as he wanted to, but he got them as good as he could. And if they take off, great, and if not, that's okay. They were free. We tried to save them after we dug them up, and we did the best we could with them. Remember, this is the hydrangea that got frostbit. However, the flowers are still forming on all of the tips. The ends look bad where the leaves got burnt, but the flowers didn't get burnt, and it's still making flowers. So I'm very pleased about that. Those flowers are huge when they open. By the time they open up, you won't even be able to see those leaves.